Eli lämpimästi tervetuloa tänne V10 Plus ihonhoitosarjan lehdistötilaisuuteen. Mä oon todella iloinen, että niin moni pääsi tulemaan.
So it's very friendly to use, and I'm really confident to introduce all the product in the Finland.
What is a good product for sensitive skin in summer?
Okay, sensitive skin for the summertime is definitely it's good for the ceramide because ceramide will be improve the barrier function and also it's a liquorize because in the summertime we have a very strong ultraviolet from the sun.
Yes.
So we have to protect from the sunburns. Also skin problem due to sunburns. So we can use the liquorize and same time together with the ceramide. So this is the prevent the sunburn problem, and also ceramide can give it a lot of moisture and also make it strong your barrier function. After you got sunburn, your face is become red, then you will start having the pigmentation. So you can apply the placenta to stop the melanin production from your skin. So if you can use these three, it's the perfect combination.
Perfect.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.